oportunidad de ser partícipe.
This trophy is very important to me, just because it's from the fans. And
quiero crecer aquí, me he sentido en el sitio ideal.
So happy to be here, to help this club.
This is my second home. I can't wait to start with the game, with the practice.
Yo vengo a Pertotes.
Oh yeah, I'm very excited. Great ball club. Hope to do great.
Espero que vamos a disfrutar mucho.
Go there and do my best and help my team. And
I'm very happy.
Lo que puedes llegar donde tu cabeza o tus sueños te dicen.
Todos salen con la ilusión